that bubble. It's floating open. Can I catch it? No. Well, 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 Alberta has not been disappointing the last few weeks with the sunsets we've been getting. Just look at the colors in that sky. All right, guys, so you saw what our weather looked like last week, and this is how fast things can change here in Alberta. This came in the last hour and a half, and it's just like a super thick, wet snow that they usually get on the coast. Yeah, miserable. Well, we're back to our lovely winter wonderland here this morning. I don't know, I want to say that's at least a good 4 inches within a few hours that we got this, and probably about 2 inches of ice. This is truly the type of snow that you would get on the coast, and we haven't seen this all year. Perfect sticky snow for building those snowmen, which I really don't feel like doing. It is like 0 degrees, so it is warm outside right now. That's in Celsius. However, like I said, this is this type of snow that sucks because it's like 3 inches of ice and wet snow, and this is what makes a mess, and this is also what knocks out power lines. But luckily, we were good last night and we didn't lose power. You're doing it wrong. Why are you shoveling the grass and bringing us the snow? Why are you doing this? We're trying to get rid of the snow on the driveway. Why are you bringing more? You're such a big help. Hey, are you a big help? No. And then the other one will go to eat, and the other one's gonna watch.
Birds are flying all around. Some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong. Inside a simple song. Running careless down the line, beyond the brink of time.
Oh, that's very shallow.
I will love you.
Birds in there?
Watch seagulls, yes.
You watching them?
You could
Geese on his leg, she says.
the way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams.
But they're beautiful birds to look at. See how one eats and the other one always watches? They're both never eating at the same time. One's always keeping his eye out. So one thing wrong we have with the RV is there's nowhere to really install car seats. We've looked into it and there's really no good information on how to do that. So that's one thing wrong. Next thing wrong with the RV is she's a gas guzzler. So right now with the gas prices just keep going up and up and up. Really only good for some short distances unless you're willing to pay that all the time. So yeah, one other thing wrong with the RV is it just wouldn't make it down a lot of the roads and the places that we do like to go camping at. And like I said before, we have no way of putting the canoe up on the roof. So yeah, there you have it. I think that's 4 things wrong with the Winnebago in our eyes. Not physically wrong with the Winnebago, but 4 things that, lifestyle issues, let's call them that. That's our lifestyle crisis is, you know what, we have to be able to put some car seats in. It is expensive on gas. It wouldn't make it down a lot of those Crown Land roads, and we can't put the canoe on the roof. So another thing wrong with the Winnebago is it just doesn't have the big tires, doesn't have the 4x4 for going down a lot of the Crownland roads that we like to head out on. Not sure what the future of it is. We're still gonna work on it. We still enjoy working on it. And obviously, if we did decide to turn around and sell it one day, it would be nice to be able to go to somebody with fresh and everything working 100%. So we're not sure what our plan is there. But even if we did sell it, we'd look at getting something else and making it our own as well. Or who knows, maybe we keep it around and, I don't know, see if it's worth it to register it, put it on the road and take it on a couple small trips close by. There is lots of nice campgrounds on the flat prairie lands. It just won't be doing any mountain trips, that's for sure.
I like to have the canopy with a canoe on the roof. So something we might consider getting eventually is a pull behind on a hitch. That way we can have the canoe on the roof and all of our stuff and gear for when we want to take off, leave our trailer behind in the campsite and go out for a day trip. And you can leave it everything there and set up camp, right?